Hello. My name is Emma and welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing another review on Global Domains International. And I'm just going to show you a few ways that I do what I do to promote it. So again, that's just one of the presentation videos that they do. But this is the back office when you get signed up. Yours will look very similar to this, where you can access loads of things to help you promote it. But believe it or not, when you join with me, you will be connected to the Action Power team, which makes this process even easier. What I liked about this business is that it is a legitimate company. It has been in business since 2009, I think it is. We are rated number 37 in the Inca 100 company. We are the fastest growing online business. We're also rated in the Better Business Bureau. And guys, you don't get this without being a legitimate company. It's great. It's a great affiliate program for beginners and people that are interested in making serious money online. Let me just see. This is the documentation that you will need to send off to get signed up to be an affiliate. This proves to me that this is a legit company, because every company wants you to file your taxes. Every legit company wants you to file your taxes and pay your dues, and also know that you are a legitimate, conscientious person as well, and you're not going to be untrustworthy to promote this business. So if you're living in the US, these are the forms here that you would be signing and sending off to them, and you would need to complete your W-9 form. It's all there for you. Now, I take you through this step by step. It is really easy. Do not be put off by this section, guys, because as I said, this proves that it is a legit company and you can make legit money with it, alright? So all you need to do is print the last pages of these two forms and sign them. I scanned them and then sent them by email to the customer support. Well, next thing, but I don't have a scanner. All you need to do, what I did was went to my local library, scanned the paperwork, they sent me an email, the email then I was able to forward it on. The same with the W-9 form, print it off, fill it out, scan it and email it. You can also fax it. They provide you with a fax number here, so you can fax it to them, and by all means then send an email to the support and actually say, look, I faxed it, did you receive it? You can also post these paperworks to Global Domains International. Posting does work. It just takes a wee bit longer because you have to rely on the postal system for them to receive it. Where these two, either scanning in it or and then emailing it or faxing it is pretty instant. Okay, let me just see if I can get the income calculator so I can show you the potentials of what you can actually earn. Let me just see if there's somewhere handy I can get this. Okay, let me just see. I know where I can get it directly. directpay.ws. That's my website. That's my sign up. If you want to sign up with Global Domains, you do it there with me. Watch video. Sorry, I'm just going to take you through. Okay, there's the income calculator. This will show you the benefits of what this is. I am recruiting 10 working people on my first downline, and I will teach you how to get 10 people on your first downline, so that you can teach your downline how to get 10 people. Okay, so if I get 10 people on my first downline, yeah, that's only $10. Who cares? But if all those 10 people that I get 10 people, that's 100 people, and then I get $100. This is per month, by the way. And then if all those 10 people get 10 people, that's 1,000 people, and then you get $1,000. Do you see where this is going? And this right up to 5 lines down. So you could have at the end of the month a potential of 111,000. That's what blew me away, guys. And all this is just for $10 a month. $10 a month. Really? This is why it's such a great system. It is perfect for people that are looking to start out, that are beginners, and it is also suitable for people on low budgets. Okay. Now, what you do is when you sign up with me, I connect you to the GDI Power Team, who provide you with this. Do you see it? This website. As I said, directpay.ws, and I will show you how you get connected up and everything to that. You had literally, which I love to. You see, I'm not asking for emails. I'm not asking for personal information. So there's no way that you're going to get spammed by me, or you're going to be inundating people with loads of emails. You click watch the video and you're taken straight to this video. This video is 2 minutes long, guys.
Because of this little website you're on right now. I'm a top earner with a company called. How I do it.
And this website is how I do it. And I will connect you to this. You can get this for free. This is all I promote, guys. I just promote this converting website, and it is a fantastic website. It provides testimonials in it. It also provides you more information. You can get more testimonials here. Sign up for free now, but you can also sign up for free up at the top as well. Click here to sign up for free. The free trial is 7 days. If you like what you see, you can stay on, and then it's $10 a month. If you don't, you don't. You can leave. It's very, very simple. So here's one of the ways that I actually promote. I promote GDI. It's with Hercules. It's one of the free. I signed up to this. You can do this for absolutely free. But I signed up. I paid a one-time fee. I think it was for $79. Oh no, sorry, it might be $69. It's been a while now since I've signed up. But what it actually means is that I can place ads into this. It's every single day, and it's the system more or less promotes itself. I'm in the middle of doing my heckler blurb, so I think that's how you call it. So I just want to resubmit my blurb. I've already typed out. And I have over 1,530 credits. I make sure I've got 1,500 credits every day, but they'll show you how to do it. By the way, guys, I'm going to provide a link for this below for you. You can do this yourself. You can do this absolutely free. As I said, you can do it for absolutely free, but I decided to pay the one-time only fee of $69, and that way then I can create more ads and get seen by more people getting in front of this. Now, the Hercules advertising platform is great for GDI because loads of people from GDI actually promote this business here, and you would go, oh my god, sure, so many other people are doing it. If you know the way the system works in marketing, people don't sign up as soon as they see something. They need to see it a couple of times, and if the same people are promoting Hercules, you never know, it might be then your link that they decide finally to join up on. And I get loads of hits with this, guys. So I make sure I do one of these at least a day. And the way I promote it is that I just tell them what it is. I share a video, I do over and over again, and if you can do the same, that you can make money from this. Okay, so I just hit submit. Okay, and I can go and I can view it. And there's my Hercule Burb, I think you call it. And that one, I think I done a power one. So I think I have 500 credits left, so I can do now don't get me wrong, you're going, what am I doing? The system will take you through this. I'm just very used to, yeah, there it is there. There's my ad there. Okay, another way that I promote for free is the Moneyline. It's Global Money Lines. Okay, this is another great system. I just see if I can get signed in here, guys. Just bear with me 1 wee second. Yep, I signed up to this a few months ago for another system, and now I'm actually promoting it. I have over 25,000 people now in my Moneyline. You will get people in your Moneyline as soon as you sign up. Anybody that comes in after you will be added to your Moneyline. And so I have 25,000, which is fantastic. Again, I will provide a link below on this so that for you to sign up. You can do this for free as well, but again, if you do it for free, it's very, very slow because you can only contact one person at a time. I paid a one-time only $20 fee that allows me to contact 50 people at a time, and I do very, very simple. I'll show you how I promote this. This is literally just texting people. Okay, so I can contact 316 people today, and the way that I do this is I go to my Action Power Team platform, and I have been provided with I'm going to connect you to all of this. Okay, I've been provided with information that I can place in short text and things like that, and I'm just going to use that. I copy and paste that in, and I do have a link that I use for this. I use a bit.ly link so I can track it to see how many clicks I'm getting from this. I go over here and I hit send to all and send a message. Okay, that's that bit done. So I've sent it to 50 people. Now, as you can see, it said there, message sent successfully. So I want to send it to another 50 people again. So what I do is I hit send to all again. So it sends to 50 people again. I don't have to change anything. It's already there. And I hit send message. Can you see how powerful this is, guys? Seriously. Sorry, that's my son there. Okay, so I hope you can see the power of Global Moneyline. And as I said, I'll provide a link down below for that, for you to join up with that. Even if you just join up and do nothing for a couple of weeks, because I said it'll just instantly build your list without you having to do anything. You know, you go in and you send your messages to people that come in after you, and you can do this over and over and over again. And guys, I do this. I make sure I do messages to my downline every single day. And that way then I'm always promoting my GDI offer. So those are two of the ways. If you want more ways on how to promote this and start building your list, by all means go to www.directpay.ws and sign up with me, and I'll help you get your back office set up, and I'll also get you trained up in how to market GDI. And I'll share with you my top marketing sources for traffic. And you'll be saying, why? As I said, as you see the downline, when you make money, I make money. This is a fantastic system, guys, and I highly recommend it. It's great for beginners. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep you informed of other things with GDI, but I also will be keeping you up to date with working traffic sources, or if I do come across any scams out there and relating to traffic sources, and I have come across a few. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to sign up. Thank you.